Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Salmon behavior changes fast when trout are around, so let's analyze this graph to find the correct pattern before the clock runs out on us. First, compare the control group in treatment 1 to treatment 2 where only competitors are present. You will see that daytime activity for the juvenile salmon clearly increases in this scenario. Look closely at the error bars for these specific data points. Since they do not overlap, we can confidently conclude that this increase in daytime activity is actually statistically significant here. Finally, check the nighttime data showing no significant change. This confirms that option C is the only description perfectly supported by the provided graph. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps for option C.